A very good morning, 8th standard. Again, we will continue with block 21 maps, and this is lesson plan 3 settlement patterns. I hope you have read earlier 2 lesson plans. Now we are going to learn lesson plan 3. So get ready with all your essentials so that we can move further. So before moving, first of all, we will do a quick recap. In the previous lesson plans, we have read about contours and we identified different types of landforms by showing the contours. I hope you understood both of these topics very well. Now, we will proceed for the lesson plan 3, and the new word for this lesson plan is nucleated. Now, first of all, I will start it with the lesson. You need to tell me what will you find in an area that is densely populated. Will it have roads? What other things will you find? We can find different things in a settlement like buildings, roads, railways, telegraph office, post office, police station, and places of worship. Plain areas with more facilities and occupational opportunities will be densely populated. So in this way you have got the idea that what are we going to learn. Today we will learn about infer settlements, or the different types of settlement patterns that can be inferred using a topographic map. Got it? Now for this you need to do one thing. Look figure number 10 in your content book and tell the difference between nucleated, linear and scattered settlement. Only see the figure and then tell without reading it. Got it? You can pause the video here. Look at the figure carefully. See all the minute details. Come back again. We will discuss more about the settlements. I hope you have done it. Now tell me, what are permanent and temporary settlements? How do we represent them on a map? So, permanent settlements are places where people live permanently. They would have concrete buildings. And in temporary settlements, they means the people used to live in hut or in moving caravans or in camps, etc. Settlements are represented on topographic map using the color red. Permanent settlements are shown with bold red squares, while temporary huts are shown with white squares with a red outline. Got it? Now, here comes the question of the day. What does yellow color plain and wells show? That you need to tell me in your forms app. Now, moving further, how can we show linear, nucleated and scattered settlements in a map? In nucleated settlements, buildings are close to each other. In linear settlements, the buildings are arranged in a line. And in dispersed settlements, have buildings that are spread out. What are their features? Means what are the features of the linear, nucleated and scattered settlements? So, nucleated settlements grow mostly around road junction or near river crossing. We might find various services like post office, police station, hospitals, schools, etc. in these settlements. Linear settlements are found along roads, railway lines, or rivers. And what about dispersed settlements? These type of settlements are found in agricultural areas as people tend to spread out on farms. People in these areas might use the large open fields or for farming or grazing. How can you find the main occupation of people in the area using a topographical map? It means how will you get the idea of occupation of people living in those areas while you are looking into the topographical map. So, on the topographical map, physical and man made features are shown on it. And this topographic map can be used to infer the occupation of given area. If you see the plain land with color yellow along with the wells, it means that agriculture is practiced in that area. Yellow color means it is the harvested crop. When the crop is ripened, then it grows in golden yellow color. That is why the if the plain is colored yellow along with the wells, and wells shows the water, it means agriculture is practiced here. The presence of forest. If on the topographic map forest symbol is there, this is the symbol of forest, it is made in black color on the figure of forest. If it is present there, it means it indicates timber industry, and here is the symbol of the timber, while a stone quarry indicates that people do mining. Same, this is the symbol of the stone quarry and mining. In the same way, if topographical map is showing rivers, it means that people might practice fishing there. This is the symbol of river that is made on the river, and this is the image of fishing that is made upon the image. In cities and towns, services and business appear to be the major occupation of people. Got it? So, I hope you understood the section or the lesson plan which I told you now. For the better effect, you need to read the settlement patterns in your book, and after reading it, you will complete your S3 in workbook and practice questions 7 to 9 in your notebook. Got it? I hope this was easy for you, and I hope you will complete your work on time. Thank you and have a nice day.